Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with safety and alignment. Turn the machine off and lift the needle to top dead center so threads move freely. Next, mount a cone and wind a bobbin if needed, because consistent tension starts at the supply. Then, release the warp tensioner and feed the first thread through the guide. Do this slowly so you see any snags. Once done, lock the clamp and verify the beam advances one full rotation. This sets the base path and prevents tangles in later steps. You now route the thread through the harness by following the heddle numbering. This preserves your pattern, because crossed threads change shed formation. Carefully insert the thread through each heddle eye and then through the designated reed dent to control set and beat. Use a threading hook for tight spaces so you don't fray the filament. Once threaded, tension lightly and repeat for adjacent threads. Alternating tension prevents uneven sheds. Make sure labels stay matched. Misplaced, you finish by reapplying even tension across the warp and performing a slow test shed. Throw 10 to 20 picks by hand to confirm beat and selvage behavior. If picks skip or pull, adjust individual tension knobs and inspect heddle alignment. Small differences alter shed opening. Once satisfied, run the machine at low speed and watch the first inch of cloth. If something goes wrong, like sticky sheds, stop immediately, check guides for burrs, and replace frayed threads. That single troubleshooting step prevents larger breaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.